Let's talk about finding the perfect broker for you. Today, we're going to be comparing two of the powerhouse brokers out there. One is going to be PU Prime, the other is going to be FBS. Today, we're going to put these two head to head to really just see which is better for spread, for efficiency, for speed, and everything when it comes to you and your trading experience. None of this is financial advice, but without further ado, let's get into this. First, let's talk regulation. So, PU Prime are actually regulated by ASIC in Australia and the FSA in the Seychelles. So, this allows for much higher security than other brokers out there. FBS, on the other hand, are regulated in Belize, which is a lot less strict compared to ASIC in Australia. What this means is you are going to get higher leverage, dangerously high leverage, I will say, and you are actually going to get less security because of that. So if these guys get hacked, they may not actually be even liable to pay you out. And that's why I would say PU Prime is better as a medium term of regulation, where they're not going to be super strict and they do allow traders from all over the world, but you get that trade-off, which is security from PU Prime. Now let's talk spreads. If you don't know what spreads are, this is basically the fees you're going to be paying when you are executing trades. PU Prime are definitely ahead in this category because they offer really tight spreads. I mean, look at this gold spread here, 0.1 on a spread for gold, which is ridiculous. Some brokers will actually charge you 66 or even higher for spread when you're trading gold. So when it comes to Forex and gold and commodities like that, then PU Prime is definitely ahead. However, FBS do offer really decent spreads that on the surface can seem that it is cheaper than PU Prime. But if you look a little deeper, it's definitely connected to your account type. So if you have a lower level account, then you're actually going to be charged more in terms of commissions that aren't shown on the spread. So overall, in terms of transparency in the spread, I will definitely give this one to PU Prime as well. Now, in terms of the assets you can actually trade here, FBS do offer pretty decent amounts of assets. So you can see here, they got Forex, metals, indices, energies, stocks, and Forex exotic. So yes, they do have a lot of different things out here, but when you're talking about CFDs, cryptocurrencies, this type of stuff, then I would definitely check out PU Prime because these guys do offer all of it and they are a lot faster than a lot of platforms out there. And speaking of speed here, guys, I will say that PU Prime are very fast and efficient because of their new infrastructure that they have installed. Whereas FBS definitely are fast, but they can be affected by high volatility and high traffic times that could cause congestion on their network. But what about having access to trading? In terms of trading platforms, guys, we can see that PU Prime offer their own PU Prime app, MetaTrader 5 access, MetaTrader 4, a copy trading feature, which is very unique. It basically allows you to track other traders that are on their platforms and copy their trades. This is going to allow you to basically just target a trader that's performing really well. And then whenever they take a trade, you take a trade, and that gets executed instantly. So you actually make money when they make money. They also have a web trader, which I think is fantastic because that allows you to trade directly in the browser without having to download things like MetaTrader or other platforms. Now, FBS, on the other hand, do fall short in this category where they do have an app, of course. They do have MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4 access, which is good. But when it comes to copy trading, when it comes to trading inside the browser on the platform, having everything at your fingertips, I will say that PU Prime do get ahead in this category. Now, in terms of leverage here, guys, I will say that PU Prime do offer a pretty decent 300x depending on your account. This is going to be something that is allowing you to basically make more money by leveraging your trades. Whereas I will say FBS do offer a whopping 3000x leverage, but that is going to come with a lot more risk. So if you're an aggressive trader or more of a gambler, definitely do not go over to FBS because it's very likely that you will lose your money after one trade. So in terms of leverage that is responsible, I will say PU Prime are doing it right. In terms of leverage that is ridiculously high, I guess FBS would be an option there. So in summary here, PU Prime is a more stable, secure, and well-regulated broker with lower trading costs, faster execution, and more diversified trading options. While FBS may appeal to high leverage traders looking for aggressive bonuses. So overall, I would say PU Prime is the winner here. But if you are someone that likes the high leverage, definitely maybe check out FBS. But that's at your own risk, guys. If you want to trade responsibly, I would say PU Prime are ahead when it comes to fees, speed, and everything else when it comes to trading. That's going to be it for this video. Definitely check out PU Prime in the description, and I will see you in the next one.